Hello guys, good to have you back for another video. So I reset my car. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can solve any problems with your multimedia system of an Audi. This is an MH2P if I remember correctly. We had a lagging navigation system, or if your screen is stuck and you don't know what to do, there are two methods to reboot that or reset that. One is to disable the battery minus and wait for a few minutes and enable it back again to reboot or to reset the multimedia system. And the second is you have a screen over here and the air conditioning screen and the volume button over here. Press and hold the volume button for about 10 seconds and you'll see in a few seconds that it flashes once. Like this, and when it says welcome back again, you release the volume button and you'll see that the navigation system or the multimedia system will reboot itself or restart itself. I use this often for lagging systems, a frozen screen, or any problems with my multimedia, to reset or reboot it back to the original settings to get solve of the problems. That was it for this video. I want to thank you watching my videos. Give us a thumbs up if you like my videos. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.